Hey love bugs, welcome back to the channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley and today we'll be slaying this beautiful wig from start to finish. If you are here and you are watching, chances are you are not an expert when it comes to laying your wigs, and I am here to help you guys out, to help you through it as a beginner. I want you guys to be able to bond your wigs down glueless. Yes, with water, this will come right up and it won't damage your hairline or your edges or your baby hair. I did not pluck, I did not tweeze, I did not tint the lace. If you're interested in seeing how I got this look, how I got the ponytail to be so sleek and laid, even though we have a little bit of lumps in the back, and you know, silk press the ends and so forth and so on, keep on watching. Jumping right into it. This is what the wig looks like straight out of the packaging. It's set as a center part. It's 20 inches, 150% density. And as you guys can see, there's a beautiful blonde highlight situation going on with blonde or dark root. This is also a look at the inside construction of the cap, which is important for understanding the dynamic of the wig. Also, you guys can see that the wig fits flat and flush on my head, and we do have 6 inches of parting space going back. Also, we have 13 going across, so I will be cutting off a little bit extra because I believe that my head across is like 11.5 or so, so I always have a little bit of extra to cut off. And when you cut this off around the ear, it's just going to make the wig fit flat and flush. Super simple and easy install. As I mentioned, we're going to cut off the excess lace and bond her down glueless. No glue at all, just a glueless adhesive that you can remove with literally just water in a spray bottle.
I don't know if I'm okay. I don't see the light of day. Looking up to higher ground, thinking that'll be your sweet escape. These days gotta schedule the romance. They say that love is a slow dance. A short bike ride to the crib using no hands. Oh shit, it feel like I'm floating, but I'm falling with both eyes closed when I let the world spin. Testing the water, she got my nerves tense. Back when I ain't even have a purpose, I was so eager to learn some things. Anxiety bring out the worst in me. Society paint me as enemy. My niggas making it by that remedy. I'm more occasional, don't do it regularly. Backs under my eyes, weighing down heavily. Mama been worried, the devil allegedly deep in the plan. Subconsciously wanted it since I was 10. I thought I was sharp on my scroll and my pen think it did. So mama found shit at them legs. She told me that's not who I am. But nowadays I put on for the fam, see it when I can. I'm surrounded by my feelings, I'm stuck on a Ferris wheel. I bet I perish with 140 acres. She want the horse and the carriage, a porcelain portion of garbage. I talk to the mirror, I know that life's not the fairest. I lost my can, I can't pay off the bills with the blessing. I'm sure I relate to the Reddit page. It's feeling like money is everything. Money is everything. It's everything I need. Till I lay my eyes on you. I don't know what this is, yeah, but it feel like it's real, baby. I don't wanna pretend, no. I just wanna come clear, wanna see you again. I wanna see you again.
As always, don't forget to blow dry on a cool setting. It makes a huge difference because a hot setting will have your hairline looking super cakey and gross.
Thing I need, right? Not so fun to change. I'm too caught up in my way of thinking. I get by on me. No, I don't need nobody. Yes, I was so naive. Somehow I'm still all in on me. Yeah, yeah. Way too many times I let the ball drop. Now I'm Steph Curry with the wrist flick, so they cold shoulders never defrost. No deal, but I pre-floss with the money tree in a deep pot. So I'm corner wings with the rundown. Bitch, I'm all in the field with the cleats off. Everything that I wanted to reach, I had the tunnel vision, couldn't see far. Negative vibes that I feed off got me up and down like a seesaw. All these decoys hit the destroy. Usually keep it poised, but it's ultra violent with the power moves when I deploy. For the real ones, I wanna feel something. Looking for a sign that I might be worth your time. Yeah. When I look into your eyes, it make me feel alive. I don't know what this is. Yeah. But it feel like.
Okay, install process done. You guys know whenever, especially when I do like lighter color hair, I like to kind of like play with it and tease it in the front, so that it doesn't look so straight and Barbie doll. Kind of like almost trying to get it to be not coarse, but coarse. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some baby hair really quickly and stamp out a center part. Or no, let's do baby hair and let's do a half up, half down. Let's do it. We're gonna go with edge control instead of foam lotion, just so the lace doesn't lift.
Looking for someone to save me from all of the things in my past. I'd do anything just to make it stop, yeah. Tired of sitting and waiting, but every time I open up, there's always someone that lets me down. So give me pain, give me pleasure, I don't mind. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love. Ease my mind, give me headache, I don't care. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love. La 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. All I want is feeling like I'm going crazy, staying inside in my bed, wishing that someone could wake me up. Yeah, binge watching romantic movies, the ones with the happy end, hoping that someday I'll find the one. So give me pain, give me pleasure, I don't mind. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love. Ease my mind, give me headache, I don't care. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love. La 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. So give me pain, give me pleasure, I don't mind. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love. Ease my mind, give me headache, I don't care. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love. La 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. La 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. It's someone to love, yeah. Someone to love. Someone, no, yeah.
Okay, I am sweating like crazy, so forgive me if I'm a little oily, but pretty much almost done with this look. I'm gonna just go ahead and add my powder and concealer, which you guys know is the usual. Now this look was super easy to achieve, and I love the way it came out. Now the one thing about it is when you're dealing with a 13x6 or 13x4 frontal nowadays, because of the lace shortage, a lot of the times companies will give you that ear-to-ear lace, but you don't get like lace right here. You get it only like in the center where a closure would be to part, and then you get all the lace in the front. Hopefully that makes sense. If not, refer to the inside construction of the cap that I showed at the beginning of the video and you'll see what I mean. Like, I can't part it any deeper than this. Now as far as this one goes, I really like the way it worked out for me. Really no complaints. This color is something that I used to be scared of in the past, just because I felt like it wasn't brown girl friendly, but I just kind of, I don't know, maybe because I've gotten so comfortable with wearing wigs in general, I don't find myself being nervous with color anymore. I feel like I can pull off any color, even if it's 613 or pink or purple. It just has to be executed tastefully. Now typically I would go in the parting with concealer, but because this is a lighter color wig, I really don't want that yellow tone parting. I've done it before and it doesn't look bad, but I don't want to make it like bright and highlighted. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys like the way this one came out. I have contacts in, so I kind of feel like whenever I wear contacts, my vision is no longer 20/20, especially with these lighter contacts. But as I did mention, this one did come from Bestlacewigs. Inside your box you do get a rat tail comb, which you guys know is key, as well as the baby hair brush, which, as I always mention, whenever you have these, if you only have a couple, make sure you're washing them, because when they start to get that hairspray and that gel in and they kind of lock up and get hard, baby hair doesn't come out as good, or at least it just takes a lot more to get the baby hair to be slayed. And they also gave the flyaway tamer. I wish I would have seen this in the beginning, because this right here is the same thing, the wax that I use along the parting and stuff. This is pretty much that. So if you order this wig, they will give you one, so you don't have to buy one, which works out perfect. All the details on this wig are in the description box, including a link. And if I can get a coupon code, I'll leave that there as well. Also, you'll find like my flat iron, my blow dryer, product, edge control, everything I use to complete this look will be there as well. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that you're loving the content. I'm trying to rapid upload and just get more pretty much makeup for 2020. I think everybody was on the couch afraid of this virus, but not really working. I think we all got a little bit lazy, so I'm in redemption mode on this channel. So excuse me while I grind my butt off and give you guys all the content that you deserve. And yeah, if you made it this far in the video, go ahead and subscribe and like this video so that I know that you made it this far. Also, don't be shy, don't be stingy. Share this video on Facebook or wherever you are to, you know, let people know about a creator here on YouTube who is helping the girls out with the looks and being able to install your wigs from home in a few minutes with a simple style. No cosmetology license needed, just very beginner friendly tutorials. I'm Ashley B. Deck if you are tuning in for the first time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!